Alright guys, what is up? It's Tommy back with another video. And last week in my Yeezy review of the Zebras, I was telling you that I will hopefully be getting this Sesame Yeezys. And unfortunately I lost out on getting them in store. But then I noticed on Soul Supplier, I just got a notification and it came up on Sunday that Foot Locker just restocked online website. So I went on straight away and got my size, but they didn't sell out like straight away, so then I got them like maybe half an hour later than what they were. So let's get into the unboxing. Now today, they just got in the post today, but after like a week. Now the box is sort of beat up from being shipped by the UPS. For some reason I just see the corner messed up. There's a bit of like red here for some reason, and then just that side. Right, there's the Foot Locker label here, all the sizing. You can see I got a size 9.5, which I'm usually size 8. So you need to consider that if you're going to buy Yeezy. So I'm usually size 8.5, and you should probably go up half size. That's like a recommendation, but I went up a full size so I could grow into it, and also for more comfort when I'm older. So this is just the regular old box, just Boost 350. Here's the pull tab box. Right, I'll get into it now. It's the pull tab. As you can see, just the regular paper. By the way, in this video, I'll be on DSing them, which is dead stock, as I haven't tried them on or anything. So this is like my third look at them. They're so nice. Still got the label on them. Now this is a colorway which reminds me of the Oxford Tans. If you guys know what it is, it's one of the V1 Yeezys, and it's sort of this color, but not really. Now, the thing I love about this shoe is that it has the gum bottom, which I'll probably be able to wear these more than my Zebras, or at least not get them as dirty. And the color of this is sort of like a grey, sort of looks a bit more beige in yellower colorways, or yellow lights even. Basically all the laces are the same. You see, still factory laced. Now, it doesn't have the SPLY 350 like the Zebras, but then you can sort of see, just up close, you can sort of see there's like really faint lettering, but I can't really read it. I don't know what it says, but I'm not too sure. Now, the upper, you can see the nice knitting goes the whole way up to there and down the back. Everywhere is basically the same colorway. The laces are the same, all the uppers the same, and the gum, or not, why did I say gum? The sole, midsole is like sort of like an off-whitey color. You can sort of see the boost through it. And then I don't really like this part of the thing, but it looks alright. But then on the bottom you can see the boost windows. Here's one here, then all the wee small ones right here. You can see the boost right there. Right, I will check the insole line so you guys can see. Just the regular paper. Haven't taken this out yet. There you go. Yep. Here's the other insole. It's the same color as the upper. As you can see, it says Adidas Yeezy in white. It's sort of like, it looks tanny. And then there's the bottom for you guys. And then it has the 3M light in here, which I can't really show you because I'm recording on my phone right now. And yeah. Now, what I love about these shoes is that they're the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn in my life. I always had Ultra Boosts. I had all grey ones and all black ones. Once I got these, I was like, oh, these aren't going to be as comfy as Ultra Boosts. But then, once I tried them on, these are probably the most comfy shoes I've tried on in my life. So, I'll be on DSing these now, so if you guys want to see that, let's go into the next part. Alright guys, before we get into on dead stock in these Yeezys, I want you guys to smash a like. Let's hit 30 likes on this video. And don't forget to subscribe, as we are close to 30 subscribers. And also, while you're there, turn on the notification bell so you can be the first person to watch my video. Now let's get into the on dead stocking. Alright guys, this is the Yeezys right now on my feet. And they are so comfortable. Well, they're the same as these Zebras, so yeah. But I love this color. It's probably the most unique color I've ever seen. Well, on shoes anyway, because I've never seen a shoe with this color. As you can see, they still have the factory lace, still have all the labels. I'll just show you guys this while we're here. That's the one that usually comes on it, you know, a lot. Then there's these ones. So you can see that. I love the sides of these. There's this side as well. As you can see, you can't really see the thing there. You can sort of see it there, like the thing, the SPLY, but I'm not sure if it says that. The stitching's really nice. Here's the front of them. Alright, here's the back of them as well. And I'll show you guys the bottom of them now. Just on this, on feet. This is them there. This is the part I don't really like, right here. And then that's the heel tab, pull tab even. Then you can see all the Boost windows. Nice gum bottom. See the logo Boost. Boost is the material that's supposed to put a spring in your step. Well, that's what people say anyway. It's probably really comfy, sort of like a mattress on feet. And then, as you can see, like, it's really tight around my feet here, which they were designed to do. But on the back, it's quite loose. That's what they were designed like, apparently. And yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing them with jeans, and they go pretty well with basically any outfit, as they're just that really nice color. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like, as we want to pass 30, and subscribe, as we are so close to 30 subscribers. And also, while you're there, turn on the notification bell so you can be the first person to watch my videos. And comment down below what your favourite type of Yeezys are. So bye guys.